Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and the Robinhood listing. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. And then also, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get your free stock from Public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're gonna get up to $500 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon, $50 stock of Peloton, and $50 stock of Shopify. So if you guys want to try out your luck there, go ahead and use the first link in the description to just deposit $1. Also, go ahead and get joined up with our private Discord with the first or second link in the description. You're gonna get our buy and sell alerts. You're gonna get one-on-one interactions on Discord with us, and then you're also gonna get first looks into new crypto we're looking into. We have been killing it in the past week. Our portfolio is up about 40% in the past week. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, go ahead and join with the second link in the description. But anyways, the cryptocurrency we're going to be going over today is obviously Shiba Inu Coin and the Robinhood listing. If you guys want to hear the updated news on that, go ahead and watch till the end of the video. We're also going to be discussing technical analysis, so we do have a jam-packed video for you guys. Stick around till the end. First, we do have to go over the social activity. The way I go over the social activity is going to be with two websites. I like to use StockTwits and Lunar Crush. Reminder, we're not sponsored by either of these companies. We are sponsored by Public, however. Use the first link in the description. But Shiba Inu Coin, you can basically check the activity of different cryptos and stocks on here. And Shiba Inu Coin, it has 10,000 messages in the last 24 hours. That is good for #1 above both SPY and the S&P 500, and then also Bitcoin. So two things that are much bigger than them in terms of market cap. However, we have the social activity. We have the social activity, the social, kind of dominance. But yeah, so Shiba Inu Coin #1 there. Also, you like to use Lunar Crush, which basically shows you the most trending cryptocurrencies at the moment. Shiba Inu Coin being #2 in terms of trendingness. And then also you can see here, this purple line is going to indicate how much Shib is being talked about online. And we were just talked about the most I have seen since October. If you guys remember, October was when we had, I believe, October was when we had our initial, massive pump that a lot of you guys probably got in on and made all-time highs. So this is the biggest I've seen since then. But yeah, that's very good. Also, I like to check this Quantify Crypto. If you guys don't know, we've been posting this on our Twitter a ton, just because it kind of shows perfectly how Shib is trending. You can see here on our Twitter, we posted on February 6th, which was yesterday, about hours before we actually made our initial pump, and we were 84, which was was very bullish. This is the most I had ever seen it. I was like, dang, get ready for the pump. Little did we know we experienced the pump. We gained about 60% in the span of like 2 days. So really awesome kind of thing to use here, but it's right now it's at 81, so it's still bullish. Even though we have gone up so much, we are still bullish. And what's it called, the RSI currently on the 5-minute is 24, which obviously isn't too good, but the RSI is, which basically means it's going down in the short term, but in the long term we're still going up. We are pretty close to being oversold, so let's hope this number starts to go down a bit and this number starts to go up a bit. That's like the perfect scenario here. But yeah, now let's go over the whale wallet. So this is kind of a point I wanted to make. You can see here that oh crap, I think we just actually took over. Oh my god, guys, we literally just took over what's it called, FTX token, as the biggest token position by dollar value. So if you see here the top 10 holdings, this is the top 1,000 Ethereum wallets on the Ethereum blockchain, obviously. And excluding Ethereum, Shiba Inu Coin is now the biggest holding by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. They have an average of $155 million in their wallets. And you can see here on the heat map down here that Shiba Inu Coin is the biggest holding. FTX token was above us, but we have now passed them, considering we are the most traded token in the past 24 hours. And now we are the biggest token position by dollar value. So that is extremely awesome to see. And yeah, it's I didn't even know that was going to be there before because I didn't even look at it before. But this is the big thing, and this is also our Twitter. Go ahead and follow us. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers by the end of February. But at It's Finance Bro, we said hashtag Shib whales have been buying up Shib at alarming rates, and this is obviously proven in what I just showed you in the whale stats. What's it called? I said, could they know something about the Robinhood listing? So I think that whales, last time they bought a ton of Shib, the metaverse was announced, we had a 20% rally. I think they know something about the Robinhood listing personally. Also, the last thing we heard from Robinhood was that it wants a bit more clarity from regulators, but that they were actually in contact before listing more cryptocurrencies, but they were actually in contact with regulators. So I think possibly these whales could know something about where they are at in terms of regulatory clarity, and possibly could be very bullish and Shib could get listed soon. This is personally what I think. If you guys think the same, let me know in the comment section below, or if you don't, you can let me know in the comment section below too. Share your thoughts. But yeah, that's what I think about the Robinhood listing right now. Now let's go into the global crypto market. We are currently up 6%. We have been killing it with just crypto in general recently. Bitcoin and Ethereum both up about 6%. And Shiba Inu Coin sitting in that 13th spot in terms of market cap, $17 billion market cap. This is much more than Binance and Matic at this point. And we're just behind AVAX. The volume is at 4.75 billion. Going into tomorrow, when you're going to see this video, I personally want to see Shiba Inu Coin sitting at about a $3 billion market cap. That's where I want to see it at. If it is at that amount, we could still see about 10 to 15% in gains. If it's above 5 billion, we could see 30 to 40% in gains tomorrow. Really just matters how much we are at, but I really want to be above 3 billion. That's the number that you should be on the lookout for. And now let's get into the technical analysis. So obviously we charted out this perfectly. You can see here that we had a bull flag after breaking this resistance at the 24. We had a bull flag form, and we perfectly charted this out to about the 35 area. And now we've been seeing a sell-off, people just taking profits, sadly, and the volume getting a bit lower. But now we can see the RSI is back down to a reasonable level at the 55. So if we wanted to make another leg up, we could do it now. When your RSI is at 85, traders tend to take profits like you see here. Now we're going to consolidate to the right for just a little bit. And then I think we are going to see another pump, possibly to the resistance at the 40. But we will have a support here at the 30 if somehow we do start to go back down. But yeah, that's pretty much kind of how I see it at the moment. Let me know how you guys see it in the comment section below. But yeah, make sure that you guys get signed up to Public with the first link in the description. Just deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $500 worth of free stock. I got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try your luck with the first link in the description. Also join our private Discord. You're going to get our buy and sell alerts, one-on-one interactions with me and Kyle, who also runs this channel, daily crypto alerts, and first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, our portfolio is literally up 40% this week. Go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach. I hope to see you in the next one.